Hey, boys and girls, moms and dads. Wanted to do a little tutorial with you today about ReadWorks articles and how to access it, how to use it. So, kids, I'm missing you, and obviously we're in unprecedented times, but just know that I'm thinking about you a lot. I'm wearing my Tigers hat today because we didn't have an opening day of baseball season, so it makes me kind of sad, but I'm going to wear my Tigers hat in support of getting back to normal, hopefully soon. But I want to show you, kids or parents, you can sign up for a ReadWorks account. It's free, and you'll just type in readworks.org up here, and I would go to sign up, and you can click. If you click I'm a student here, it's going to take you to a page where it's going to ask you for your class code, and we don't have a class code for it. So I would just sign up and get started. So I'm going to log in here, and I already have an account, obviously, but um, once you get logged in, the fun part is there will be a little bit of a how-to webinar here coming up, so you can check that out if you want to. But it's a great resource, parents. It's a great resource, kids. One of the best ways I think to use it is to go down here, and you can go to grade 5, and that will give you all kinds of texts. And kids, you might even remember some of them that we did together this year because I've given you quite a few of these. But there's all kinds of things. And then if you're interested in different stuff, let's say you're interested more in science, social studies, um, literacy, social emotional learning, holidays and events, you can do all kinds of stuff. Nonfiction, fiction, poetry, but let's just say, you were interested in the wetland or sturgeon. So you could type in wetlands, see what you get here. And then there's an article a day set. So parents, this could actually be really helpful for you. You can go to this article a day set, and you've got all these different articles here to choose from. The great part about it is you can have the kids listen to it. It's It's a little robotic, but then they can follow along. And as you go down through, there should be question sets. Some will have question sets, and some won't. Um, but you can experiment up here with some different tools that they have. And let's say you don't like that, and you want to go back to something different. There's the great blue heron. This one will be a little bit longer. And the cool thing is you can see the question sets here, and it will have the answer. So you can do it together, or what I did a lot this year, and you probably saw them come home, is you can go over here to print, and you can turns it into a PDF really quickly, and then you've got this PDF. You can print it off, and and then the kids can read it without being on their device or whatever you'd like to do. So I just wanted to share that resource with you. And again, it's readworks.org. And if I log out here, you'll be able to see what the main page looks like again. You're just going to sign up right there. And it's real easy to use. And there's lots of different narrative articles. There's also science and social studies, all kinds of stuff. So that's just a little update for you, and thought you'd appreciate that. And I miss seeing you, kids. So um, I hope you're enjoying your time off, and maybe we're all appreciating our normal lives a little more than we used to. So thanks, and I really do hope to see you soon.